Welcome back, everyone. In this part of the Excel for Beginners series, we are going to focus on formulas, one of the most powerful features in the Microsoft Excel. Let's imagine we are managing a small team and we have a simple table that shows each employee's daily wage, the number of days worked, and we want Excel to calculate the total income automatically. Here's the data we have. Name, daily wage, days work, income, and for each of these, Adam 205, then same goes for Jackson 103, and so on. We need to multiply each person daily wage by the days worked to get their income. So for example, Adam earns 200 per day and worked 5 days. His total income should be 200 into 5 equal 1000, right? So I'll click on the empty cell in the income column, that cell D2. Now in Excel, every formula begins with an equal sign. So I'll type it, then B2 asterisk C2. That means multiply whatever is in the cell B2 by the whatever is in C2. Then I will press enter, and Excel instantly gives us Adam's income 1000, right? Instead of typing that formula again for every employee, we can use the autofill handle, that little greenish or blackish in bottom right corner of the cell. I'll just hover over it until my cursor turns into black plus sign, then double click. Boom. Excel automatically applies the formula for everyone below. And just like that, it calculates each person's total income, as you can see. This worked because Excel uses relative cell reference. When I wrote equal B2 asterisk C2, Excel understood that as the two cells to the left multiplied by each other. So I can copy it down to the next row. Excel automatically change it to B3 into C3, or you can say B2, B3 asterisk C3, and so on. That's why Excel formulas are so powerful. You set up one formula, Excel takes care of the rest. If I change now, let's say if I change Eva's daily wage 170 to 200, watch what happens. Her income updates instantly from 680 to 800. That's the magic of Excel. The data is always dynamic and responsive. So remember, every time you want to perform a calculate in Excel, always start with an equal sign, then use the cell reference instead of typing actual number. What I mean by that is, equal to 100 press 5, so it will give me 100
1000.
instead of typing the actual numbers. You should always follow the formula. B2 risk C2. Yeah. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment Excel Magic down below.